President's attacks on Ukraine echo language of the Kremlin. Last spring, the Kremlin added a new rhetorical weapon to its regular barrages against President Zelensky of Ukraine. We are aware that the legitimacy of the current head of state has expired, President Putin of Russia said of the Ukrainian leader in May 2024, 2 months after orchestrating his own latest rubber stamp re-election at home. Those stilted words kicked off a concerted campaign by Moscow to tarnish Mr. Zelensky as an impostor incapable of signing a peace deal unless presidential elections were held in Ukraine. Mr. Zelensky had remained in power when his term expired because Ukraine prohibits election under martial law. No matter, by Wednesday, President Trump had picked up Mr. Putin's message. A dictator without election, Mr. Trump said in a post on his Truth Social account. In a scathing attack on the Ukrainian leader, it came a day after Mr. Trump falsely accused Ukraine of starting the war. Medvedev, deputy chairman of the Russian Security Council and the former president of Russia, said he agreed with Mr. Trump about the Ukrainian leader 200%. He suggested that Moscow could not believe its luck with Washington's about to face, throwing into stark relief how completely Mr. Trump had adopted the Kremlin's messaging. If you'd told me just 3 months ago that these were the words of the U.S. president, I would have laughed out loud, Mr. Medvedev wrote on X.